Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Thursday, May 30, 2024, and right now it's 9:29 p.m. So the market kind of like the future opened pretty negative yesterday evening, and it keep kind of shoveling down, and it actually went down for about kind of like a 35, another 35 points. I did not recall like exactly, but it down a lot. It came back, and at the open, as we can see on this SPX, there's a long kind of long bar kind of coming down from here, and market kind of basically kind of staying at a really small range until 10 o'clock, and then broke down, and actually in some way it kind of broke down quite a lot, and but it later kind of made its way back. It actually make a new high here, and yeah, later here it make a new high, and that's getting close to 2 o'clock, but it's not able to sustain. It cannot go any higher. So this is like a sort of like 2x, which is some other measurement that I have, and it was not able to go above that. It's getting very, very close. And later coming back down, it's really hard. It retraced kind of everything's. It got back from the low of the day, and then basically another double. So if we look at here, it basically it's kind of a double of the it moved double. So and once it finished that, it come back, and it closed at this 52.35 level. That's kind of like a somewhat kind of a little bit positive, but it's not really enough to tip the balance here. And the futures market kind of open, and it continued. It seems like it's exhibiting the similar pattern in the last few in the last few days, and basically open and keep coming down, and so without knowing anything else, it's like tomorrow. It seems like it's likely, as it's so negative right now. Tomorrow, likelihood it could go down to 5200 and even below 5200, say 5184 level. Now, if we look at the calendar, so Friday, it seems like tomorrow is really a big day, and so it started at 8:30. It has a core PCE price index, personal incomes, PCE price index, and all the kind of information. So that's another inflation related data release, and then later is like 9:45 have the Chicago PMI, and after that it seems like pretty much that's all. And at 1 o'clock have a Baker Hughes rig counts. yeah, that's it for tomorrow. So probably after 10 o'clock, probably market probably, well, I cannot say it's going to go directional, but hopefully it's not that choppy. We never know. The Friday could be pretty choppy as well. And then I guess the the mind view here is that a Fed speech from Fed Bostic, which is at 6:15 p.m. That's after the market close, and also this is for the weekend. So how market going to behave? Tomorrow is the end of the month, and actually this may be the characteristic of the end of a month, and it's pretty volatile, and got some feeling that all the manager and everyone is rushing to lock in the gain for for this month, and then probably going to kind of sit back and find the opportunity to come back again. So if we follow that logic in this, that's I mean, at least as of right now, it's like that's what's going on. So market likely will have further to go, and it yeah. So it could easily go down by another what from here. Right now it's still 50 to 35 and 48. It could easily next month could go down, kind of could move 200 points. That's a pretty easy kind of for each month to move like about 200 points. So just be prepared, and that's my view on it. And all these are not prepared scripts. I just kind of speak out of whatever coming to me, and we should see how the kind of inflation data come out tomorrow, and how that's going to move the market. And it's sometimes think about it, it's pretty interesting. Market might not really necessarily move based on whatever that data show, and it interpret the market kind of the data in whichever way to serve its purpose. So, or probably that's what people do to interpret those kind of data. But market move what it wanted to move, and so with that said, I wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.